Hello, so today I am going to talk to you about my favorite cleaners. As you can see, I have quite a few cleaners up here, and I'm going to talk to you about my favorites, my okays, and then these may go are favorites, and then my do not purchase these, okay? So let's talk about my favorites really quick. Well, for dusting or for cleaning, hold on one second. Okay, so for dusting or cleaning my stainless steel appliances, I really like this Indust. It does a really good job on my stainless steel. It doesn't leave it streaky, it cleans it, and it just shines it up really well. It does a really nice job of cleaning my furniture and leaving a very nice moisturizing film behind. So the Indust is A+++++. And then if I just want to clean really quick, like dust really quick, and not worry about did I get it all oiled up properly, then the Pledge, this is antibacterial, but it's the multi-surface. These are really nice. This is a Riley. This is a really nice dusting formula, and I use this. This is almost empty. I'm constantly repurchasing the Pledge multi-surface because I can use it everywhere. I can use it on my stainless steel. I can use it on the granite, on wood, on electronics, on glass. So really enjoy this formula right here. Okay, speaking of glass, so this right here, you can see I have a very large bottle. I don't happen to have a bottle for it right now, so once one of these are empty, I'm going to put this in it. But this is the Windex Multi-Surface Disinfectant Cleaner. I love this stuff. This does a really good job on your glass, on your granite, on your stainless steel, and it's antibacterial. So I absolutely love the Windex formula. It's a lemon scent, so it has a really nice scent. And yeah, that's a staple in my home is this formula right here. Another really good glass cleaner is the Method Glass and Surface. It has a nice mint scent to it. Yeah, I really enjoy the Method cleaner. So prior to the pandemic, I was going a little more natural. So you'll see I have some more natural products in here. And then when the pandemic started, you couldn't find cleaners, and especially antibacterial type cleaners, so I went a little crazy. So yes, I'm going to have a lot of products to show you here, but I'm just letting you know what my favorites are so that when you're on the hunt or when you're purchasing, that you can find your favorites too. All right, so the Method Glass and Surface, really enjoy this. I only use this mainly on my stainless steel and glass. I don't use it on the granite or anything. I just use it for its intended purpose, which is mostly glass. And then this guy right here, the Spray Away Glass Cleaner. Oh my God, this stuff is so good. Like especially in your bathroom mirrors, because you can just make a big old foamy spray. And then what I do is I take a microfiber cloth, or I'll take my glass cloth from eCloth, and I will put it on my Swiffer duster, or not, the Swiffer sweeper, and I will use it that way. So I will wrap the Swiffer. I will wrap the Swiffer sweeper with my microfiber cloth or my glass e-cloth, and then I will, wipe away the glass cleaner. But this is really good stuff. I haven't used it on my windows yet, just because I usually reach for these two. This stays in my bathroom, and it gets a lot of use. Another item from the Spray Away brand is the stainless steel cleaner, and this is really nice. The thing about this is it has an oily residue, so I haven't reached for it as often lately. I usually just use a glass cleaner on my stainless steel, and because I feel like the more fingerprints, like if you tried to wipe away a fingerprint and you have this on it, it's going to leave a smear. If you wipe away a fingerprint and you've just cleaned your stainless steel with a window cleaner, then it wipes away clean. So although I really do enjoy this, I've been using a window cleaner more often. have a little bit left of this peppermint scent from Mrs. Meyers. This is really nice. It's a multi-surface spray, and I use it usually on my granite and on my kitchen. Once it's done, I probably would not repurchase. I do enjoy the scents of these, but as far as it being antibacterial, which is something that you really need right now in your home, this doesn't do that. It's just going to remove away dirt and stuff. It works really well. I do enjoy the Mrs. Meyers brand. It's a little more expensive. Let's take it back. It's a lot more expensive. It's like twice the price of a Windex. So again, once I run out, I have quite a bit. Once I run out of the Mrs. Meyers brand, I probably would not repurchase the multi-surface unless I was in desperate need, but I don't see that happening. So although I really enjoy this brand, I probably would not repurchase this anymore. But the scent is amazing. I love the peppermint scent. Now, Clorox started making their wipes in packaging like this, and I really enjoy it. I feel like it stays... I feel like the wipes stay wet the whole time. It doesn't take up as much room as the big plastic tubs. The plastic tubs, for some reason, my lids always break. So I really do enjoy using them in this way. I will always have Clorox wipes on hand. When the pandemic hit, I got desperate and I went for some other wipes, and I'll show you those in a second, and I cannot stand them. So I'm really glad that I'm able to find my Clorox wipes again. And this is... in this packaging, kind of like, you know, wipes, like baby wipes or whatever, but this way is really enjoyable. Other than, or using them in this type of packaging, I feel like I'm not being as wasteful. So I didn't pull it out of my bathroom because I just didn't want to be touching all over my toilet wand. But these are the Clorox toilet wand brushes, or the refills. You put this, pop this onto the little wand, and then you scrub your toilet. I really do enjoy using this for my toilet. I actually will start sometimes in my bathtub, because every time you throw them away, right? So I'll start with one in my bathroom, and then I will continue on and I'll go into my toilet and finish up. So I can get a couple of uses out of it if I make sure that I start in a different area and not in the toilet. Because if you start in the toilet, you want to finish in the toilet, right? No. Okay, that's stupid. All right, so yeah, I will try to make these go a little bit longer. Like, instead of just the toilet use, I will use it in the bathtub, or sometimes I will wipe the shower heads with it. I get we have hard water in our house, and so yeah, the hard water gets built up. So I will start wiping the shower heads with this, and then I'll finish it with the toilet. So yeah, I try to get a couple of uses out of it, out of the one, instead of being wasteful and just doing the toilet and then throwing it away. Alrighty, another method is the all-purpose. This is another multi-surface, multi-purpose spray. Again, I don't think that I will buy anything like this. I think I'll just continue to buy my Windex, and then I might switch it up with, let's say, their antibacterial, so that my little germies don't get used to what I'm spraying on it. But it smells really nice. This one is the Honeycrisp Apple Scent. Again, unless I find it on a really decent sale, I don't think I'll be picking these up, just because they don't have that antibacterial function. Like I said, before the pandemic, I was going all this way. I was going, you know, a little bit more natural, but I think I'm going to pull back away from that, because the pandemic really, you know, hurt a bunch of us. So what I'm going to do is just finish what I have, and then I will continue buying sprays like the Windex Antibacterial or the Method Antibacterial. So this is another one. This is what I use in my bathroom. This is the Method Antibacterial. This is in the citron scent. I really like this scent. They have a few. Some of the Method scents I don't care for. The Mrs. Meyers, I've never found a scent I didn't like, but the Method, I actually have scents that I don't like, and I'll show you one of those in a second. But the Method Antibacterial, really good, you know, spray. I enjoy it, but like I said, I probably will not be purchasing Method or Mrs. Meyers once I use these up, unless I find them on a really decent sale. Something I enjoy using also is the Lysol mopping solution. This is the Clean and Fresh. I really like this scent. It makes my whole house smell really good. It's antibacterial and yeah, it kills germs even when diluted. So I either get the lemon scent or this scent. I prefer the Clean and Fresh, and that's what I use to mop my floors with. Something I like to spray my sinks down with is the Clorox Cleanup Cleaner and Bleach. I will spray my sinks. I'll use like antibacterial for the rest of my sink tops, but as far as like down in the sink and around on the knobs, I will always spray my Clorox cleaner and just kind of let it set on there for a little bit, for a lot of it. Usually I kind of walk away and do other things, and then that's the last thing I come to. But yeah, this is always going to be a staple in my home. Something that I really have come to enjoy are the Jaws cleaners. I just have this one out for you guys right now. This is the kitchen one. It has a degreaser in it, so it works really well on my stove. I really do like the Jaws. They have all different ones. The bathroom, they have a granite, they have a stainless steel, they have a wood, but the antibacterial and the kitchen one are my two favorites. So I do repurchase these little refills on the top here, and I already have the bottle. So really enjoy the Jaws system. Now let's get to things I don't care for. Lysol hydrogen peroxide multi-purpose cleaner. This stuff stinks. I don't know why. Something about the smell on these I just do not like. This is the Citrus Sparkle Zest. I don't care for these Lysol hydrogen peroxide. I use this in my girls' bathroom so that I can because they're never in there, and so I'll use it to clean it up, and then by the time they go in there, the smell dissipates. But I do not enjoy the Lysol, and I actually this is my second bottle. I have a bottle upstairs in their bathroom already. So once I get through that one, I'll try to get through this one, and I will never repurchase this ever again because I do not care for the smell on this. Another Lysol product that actually smells good, but the issue I have with this is I try to use it on my granite and it leaves a film. So I won't repurchase this again. The first time I purchased this, it didn't do that. Now this time it does. So I don't know if they changed something in their, some kind of chemical they changed up or whatever. The formula has been changed. So it leaves a film on my granite. So therefore I just use this mainly to spray in my sink. And if I'm not wiping my granite, I might use it. But this here, the Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner, it does smell good compared to its partner over here, but it does leave a film on my granite, so I will not repurchase this. Something from Method that I do not like the smell of is the spearmint one. It's I don't know, it's a fake smell. I just don't care for this one, so I will never repurchase. It's the bathroom cleaner. And again, once I get through this one, I will not repurchase it. But as you can see, it's full. I have a lot of cleaning products that I have to get through because, like I said, pre-pandemic, I was going, natural, and I was buying all natural products. And then once the pandemic hit, you couldn't find them. So it was almost like if you found something, you purchased it. And then here I lie with all these freaking cleaning products. So again, I have this, I'll use it, but once I use it, I'm done. I will not repurchase this scent. And then the last thing I want to show you remember I said I got desperate for some wipes? Well, this was the wipes I ended up picking up from Costco. I got a 5-pack. These are the Arm & Hammer Essentials Disinfecting Wipes. The problem with this is it says it's citrus-based, so it leaves like a oil residue behind. The smells are okay. It has a really nice size wipe, but when you wipe anything, it's going to leave this like oil residue behind, and that's the issue I have with this, is if I use my Clorox wipes like on my floor, because my dogs do have accidents, there's no residue left behind, but this one will always have some kind of oil residue left behind. So therefore, I will never repurchase these ever again. So that is it, guys. That is my I have more. I mean, I could show you all day some cleaning products, but I wanted to go over some cleaning products that I like, dislike, and then they're okay. So I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.